Okay, made it up. Now I'm gonna go down with the breeze. Whew. My bike is a bit squeaky today. It was raining and my bike was in the rain, and I forgot to put some WD-40. Woohoo! Just love it. Beautiful day for a ride. Do the shortcut or the long one? Let's do the shortcut. It's not really a shortcut. Let's go the other way around. Maybe actually go that. Oh, lots of glass everywhere. Beautiful way to start your morning. Make sure no one on my way. Actually, why did I go this way? Shouldn't go in. That's fine. It's empty. Okay, made it in half an hour. Whew. It's quite a difference when I ride without the kids behind me. An easier way to get around without pulling a trolley. Let's see how fast I can make it to the town center. Now reaching the hard part of the trail. Let's see if I can make it in one go without getting down off the bike. Doesn't look very hard, but it is quite stiff here. Woohoo! Much easier without the trolley. Whew. And we go down again. squeaky. Sorry, ants. 2 kilometers to the town center. I was riding from the entrance to here in 4 minutes. And I don't know how much is it in kilometers. Woohoo! Usually when I'm here, I'm looking around to find some wallabies or kangaroos. But today I have to concentrate on the road. Maybe my bike already scared them all away because all the noise it makes. After here I'm heading to the Botanical Gardens, the Olive Pink Botanical Gardens for breakfast with friends. The breakfast has much been deserved after such a long ride. Oh, I just love it. Whew. Now we get into the part where I think I'm definitely gonna get off the bike because it's sand, river sand, and I won't be able to cross it on the bike. So I will have to get down and just cross it quickly by foot, drag my bike with me, and then continue on the bike. Alright. Oh, my legs are shaky. Whee. This part always been hard for me with the trolley and the kids. Well, the kids usually get off the trolley. Okay. Morning. Yeah. I think we made it very quick. Like it's since the sign of 2 kilometers, it's been what, 4 minutes, and we're nearly there. You can see the Anzac Hill on my right. Morning. Morning. Thank you. Okay, which way? This way. Morning. Morning. Have to say morning to everyone, otherwise it will be very rude of me. And it doesn't matter if they reply or not. Yeah, well, I made it. And very quick. Well, I have still a few more k's to, well, maybe 1 kilometer to the Olive Pink. Just gonna cross the bridge and go straight there. Beautiful. nice and early. No sun, all cloudy. The road's open. Oops, this one didn't say. Anyway. Okay, so we're in town already. Should I go straight across the bridge? Oh no, I definitely need to go straight. There's another bridge that I have to cross. Okay. So I was telling my friends before that I went for a sinus cleaning because I was feeling a little bit sick, coughing, and my nose is running. So it's a great excuse to get on the bike and have a ride. It's definitely a good way to clean your sinuses. So this is the Todd River. Ooh, some people. Are they filming or they just standing there? They're just standing. Thank you, morning. I've been switching my gear all the ride. It's so great. When I'm with the kids, I usually just stay with the first gear because it's really hard. Sometimes I start using the second gear. But now like I'm on the fifth, so it's great. So I think I'm gonna cross here the big bridge and then go on the very quite new bridge there. Yeah, just go up. Oh, it's been smell like smoking. Like someone been burning something. Oh my goodness. Whew. Well done. It's funny, like if I'm next to the road I can feel the smell, but if it's when I was in the telegraph station there was no any smell. I don't know. Morning. Morning. Oh, he's with the headphones. Okay, so here I'm gonna need to cross the road. It's easy. Oh, here we go. This is my way out. Oh, definitely not gonna ride this. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I should put some oil. It's the baby seat I have at the back. Probably when I removed the trolley, it's I didn't tie that enough, so now it's a bit wiggly, and my bag is there with water and stuff. Anyway. Lucky there is no kid sitting in there. Ooh. Someone wants money. a beautiful bridge. Bangkok River was morning, and the river was full with water after rain. It's beautiful, come and see from the bridge. Now we're getting into Olive Pink. You might see some wildlife, hopefully. Let's see what it says. I don't have enough time. Okay, we made it. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful place to meet up with friends, especially if the weather is good. Oh my goodness, okay. It was a bit funny. Lots of bike riders today. Okay, so I'm at the telegraph at the Olive Pink. Hee, made it. Just gonna wash my face, refresh myself, then find a table and wait for the friends. So see you later. Another bed.